If a woman hugs you, what do you really think it means? Most men assume it's just a friendly gesture, nothing more. But what if I told you there's a whole hidden world of signals beneath that simple embrace? In this video, I'm going to reveal 6 surprising psychological meanings behind a woman's hug that most men completely miss. Stick around, because understanding these could change how you connect forever. Here's the problem. Most men treat every hug the same way, missing subtle cues that reveal what she's really thinking and feeling. You might be unknowingly sending the wrong message or missing a golden opportunity to deepen your connection. Why? Because a hug isn't just a hug, it's a test, a message, and a moment of truth all rolled into one. Let's break it down. First, when she hugs you, she's secretly testing your confidence. Think of it like a spy gathering intel. Does your body language scream, "I'm comfortable," or "I'm nervous"? Next, she's checking your emotional availability, sensing if you're truly present or just going through the motions. Then, she's establishing physical boundaries. She controls the hug, setting the tone and seeing if you respect her space. But it doesn't stop there. She's also gauging your physical chemistry. Does your hug feel natural or forced? Is there a spark or just awkwardness? In public, that hug sends a subtle message to everyone around, signaling your place in her world. Finally, that hug creates a lasting emotional memory, a moment that anchors your connection and influences how she feels about you moving forward. So, next time a woman hugs you, don't just shrug it off. Recognize the layers of meaning behind that embrace. Your response can build trust, spark attraction, and deepen your bond. Understanding these 6 hidden signals gives you the power to connect on a whole new level. Want to master the art of reading these subtle signals and never miss what a hug really means? Hit the like button and subscribe for more insights that will transform your relationships. Remember, it's not just a hug, it's a conversation without words.